guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and this video I am already dreading. I am going to be cleaning out my closet and all of my drawers and getting rid of so many things and organizing everything, so it should be fun. Here is my closet. It is literally packed full. I mean, there's barely any room. I'm going to try to organize up here. These are bins with more clothes in them. I have to switch out my closets for the season, so I'm gonna do that too and put like all of my super warm sweaters and like things like this up there. And yeah, I also have like dresses back here. I have some shoes in this thing. I have shoes down there. I have shoes down there. And also, this is the real kicker. I just moved home from my college apartment. So I have all of my clothes from my college apartment. And yeah, I think I'm just going to take absolutely everything out of my closet and evaluate everything. Step one though, the most important thing right now is music, because I'm not really in the mood to do this. I'm very tired and I cannot do this without listening to music. Yes, I will check in if I have anything to say. This is going to be such a struggle. Okay, so this is everything that was just in my closet. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna go through all of this right now. I'm gonna do 3 piles: keep, get rid of, and maybe meaning I need to like try it on. I should have spoken up before we got tangled in an empty love. Take what you think you wanted. It doesn't do us good to memorize. Why on earth would I ever get rid of this? The answer is I wouldn't. Never. Never. I will have this shirt forever. Mark my words. Okay, this is literally from a Romway haul that I cannot wear because it is see-through. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but this is fully see-through. So here is one of the bags that I brought home from college. It's not that bad, right? Right? So I'm gonna open this and go through it. I'm already seeing on top, I don't know if you can see that, there's my Harry Styles merch. Heck no, I'm not getting rid of that. I also have these that are at the top of my closet. There's just 2 of them, and they're not all the way full, so it's not that bad. I'm just going to go ahead and go through these now so I can decide what I want to keep, and then I will use these boxes for like winter stuff that I'm not going to need again until like October. These 2 bins are empty now, which is good. Like I said, I'm going to use that for like winter stuff. I guess that's what I'll do now, is try to organize my keep pile. I have, let's see if I can even pick this up. I have a giant pile of things to get rid of. So I'm going to put that in a trash bag. I have maybe 4 things in my maybe pile. So I'll get to that at the very, very end. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but I have tons of room. I just put everything up and like, what is this? I don't know, but I'm here for it. I'm doing so well, if I do say so myself. I did take down the shoe rack because it takes up a lot of space, and I mean, if I have the room, I might put it back, but we'll see. I also have shoes at the bottom of my closet and stuff, and I also have maybe like standalone cabinet thingy right here that I might use. I have since switched from listening to 5 Sauce all morning to listening to Disney music like classic Disney movie music. I love that my music taste is literally such a mess. Wanted to think I'm a girl who has everything. I got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. Y'all, I made a bold move. A bold move assuming that I had all of this room left. I thought I have gotten rid of so much. Good job, Jessica. This is like all of your clothes in one closet. You still have a room. And then I remembered that I have this bag from my apartment. I have organized everything and now I have to go through another bag. I haven't even gone through my drawers. I still have a dresser to go through. Okay, I overreacted. Are we surprised? I still have tons of room in there. I only hung up 2 things from that bag. So now it is time to conquer my drawers, which very well could be the worst part because I have a lot of pajamas, okay, and I don't like to get rid of my pajamas. That top drawer is like tank tops. These 3 are all pajamas. I've got to do something about that. These are shorts, and this is like random stuff like swimsuits. I have some like tube top things, tights, stuff like that. And over here, I have this drawer thing too. That's just underwear. This, what is this? These 2 are jeans, I think. And then the bottom one is like leggings and sweatpants. So that is what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to start over here because this is going to be the hardest. Okay guys, I am now done with everything, at least clothes-wise. I still have crap all over my room just from my apartment that I need to deal with, but as far as like clothes, I am done. I'll show you everything. I started at about 11 a.m. and it is now 5:10 p.m. and I have been doing this all day. I took a break for lunch and that's it. So I am exhausted, but I'll show you what I've done. Of course, the biggest thing was the closets, or the closet, I guess. I only have one, and we still have plenty of room, which is good. Like I said, I used these fancy hanger things. Might end up just getting rid of them once I like start wearing all these clothes. We'll see. I have all of my shoes here, more like really lightweight sandals and stuff because this is actually ripping already. Oh well. And then I have some like boots and my Adidas, and then I have like nicer shoes in here, and down here is like winter shoes that I will probably not wear for a very long time. In the back I have extra like bags, like little backpack if I'm traveling. It's my laundry basket. These 2 are empty, so who knows what I will end up putting in there. And this one just has my robe in it because I don't know what else to do with it. These are like the sweatshirts I chose to keep out for the summer. Then I have nicer clothes that I can wear to work when I have to start dressing up for work. I have my winter stuff and extra stuff all up there. And then over here, I went through all of these. So it says t-shirts, pajamas. Like I said, love my pajamas. More pajamas. This is random things that I don't know what to do with. I have some really nice skirts, like a pair of pants. I have a belt. Just like random things. These are all of my shorts, and also like my denim skirts and athletic shorts. And then in here is where I moved my tank tops, my swimsuits, and like tube tops and things like that that you can't really hang up. As far as this goes, this is just like socks, underwear. This is jeans. This is another drawer of jeans. And then this one is leggings, yoga pants, stuff like that. And then I also have 4 trash bags full of things that I'm giving away. So, good job, Jessica.
Good job, Jess.
Anyway, I hope this inspired you to either not buy as many clothes as I have or clean out your own closets and donate things. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and follow me on everything. It's at Jessica Leigh YT. And I will see you very, very soon in the next one. Bye, guys.